Amazing 8-7 Emmaus Academy Math Rock Stars. This is lesson 63 on the bottom of page 434 in your textbook, the lesson practice. All right, let's start with letter A here. All right, so this lesson is called actually called Symbols of Inclusion. And all that means is we're going to use different symbols in math to decide what math we're going to do first. That's all that really means, okay? So in this example on letter A, we want to do the parentheses first. See these parentheses right here? We're going to start from the inside and work outwards, okay? And you'll notice that in math, that's usually what we do. We don't start from the outside and work in. We start from the inside and work out, all right? So let's do it together. So because I have parentheses right here, okay, I have parentheses right here, we're going to do that parentheses first. And I'm going to actually write it over here to the left, all the steps. Now notice that I'm going to try to get you guys to get in the habit of writing all the steps exactly like I'm going to do. And when you get in Miss Couture's class, she's going to require you to write all the steps so that she can see your work and see where you if you make a mistake. She can only follow your work if you show your work, right? All right, so we're going to do the 10 minus 2. But I'm going to write down everything except for doing that math. So 30 minus, and then bracket, that's what that's called. And then 40, and then minus. Now, we can go ahead and do this math in our head, 10 minus 2. And I'm going to encourage you to do what I do. I'm going to go ahead and put it in parentheses. Now, the reason I'm doing that is because now I know that everything inside of that parentheses is done. Okay, so now, again, we're working from the inside out. So now we do everything that's in the braces. That's what those are called right here. These are braces. Notice how they're kind of squared off on the end. That's the difference between the parentheses and the braces. So we're going to do 40 minus 2. Well, what's 40 minus 2? Let's go ahead and write that step. So 30, we're going to go ahead and just bring that down. 30 minus, and then we're going to do 40 minus 2. What's 40 minus 2? It's 38. All right. You with me so far? All right. So now all we have to do is decide, oh,